everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 2nd to the 6th of February 2026 on Monday. At the Zungu homestead, overwhelmed with work, a resentful Ntombi allows Faith to go town with Khulubuse for groceries. Makhumalo praises this as acceptance, but Ntombi resorted that she had no choice on Tuesday. Faith and Khulubuse survives the ambush, with Khulubuse returning fire while the terrified Faith takes over. He escapes with only a grazed shoulder, but Faith is left deeply traumatized on Wednesday. A shaken Faith finds comfort in Mrs.'s promise to protect her, but later chooses her principles over love by rejecting Khulubuse's proposal, ending their relationship on Thursday. Faith family but politely part ways with the Zungu family, leaving Khulubuse heartbroken. Back in at the Zwide mansion, Honor and Les are relieved by her return and notice she is no longer wearing her engagement ring on Friday. At the Zwide mansion, Faith put on a brave face for the family, insisting she is fine after the collapse of her engagement and a traumatic ambush. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.